Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we're going to analyze this market. I'm going to talk about how you can analyze market and how you can also get into market. There are some things that you see before you get into market. You don't just get into market before you just take a trade like that and start trading. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I find it difficult that a lot of people that have teach forex trade and new forex trader, they find it difficult to understand how all these things work. You understand? Because if you don't have this strategy, definitely your trading journey is going to be very tough for you. You understand? The things that you mostly need are good analyzing system, if also respect fundamental analysis, then and also understand where we have a major support and a major resistance, because a lot of people don't understand how support and resistance work and where they need to find support and the resistance. Okay, so what I'm going to talk about today, I'm going to talk about three pin three candlestick that you need that will give you a better confirmation before you start before you enter your trade, before you trigger your trade. So you guys, if you see me watching up, just know that I'm watching from my telly. You understand? I have TV on my front, which I connect my computer to. So guys, before without wasting of time, I don't want to waste much time on this. So let's just go into the analysis and talk about few things, because I don't want this video to be longer. Then at the end, I will also put the trade that I took yesterday that goes my way, which is this trade. And I will tell you guys the reason why I take this trade. I didn't just enter this trade. You understand? Like I said before, you guys need three candlestick. You understand? Each one of those candlestick might occur, and most of the time they might even occur on one trade. You understand? On one trading setup, because looking for a setup is very important. You understand? Which is, if you want to get a better setup, look for a better setup on your support and on your resistance. So those three candlesticks, which are: number one, you need a pin bar candlestick. Number two, you need a engulfing candlestick. Number three, you need doji candlesticks. Those are three candlesticks that you need to get into the trade. And another thing, also another strategy you need to add to your strategy that will make you a good money on the market, is look for double bottom and double top. You understand? And the head and shoulder, and we also have many others. I will be doing that on another video. Like on this trade that I took yesterday, you can see market is still moving. You understand? On this trade I took yesterday, this was a double bottom setup on 15-minute time frame. Then we also check 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour time frame. You understand? So let's check. You see 1, 2, 3, V4. You can see. What is that? That is double bottom. There are different way market give you a double bottom. There are some double bottom they will not be equal. There are some that will be equal. So on a 15-minute time frame, we have this double bottom. What are on 20-minute time frame? Sorry, on a 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame, we also have this double bottom. You see, which this market did double bottom also on 30-minute time frame. And also, you guys should also remember, we have, I don't want to talk about that one. I don't want to mix everything together. So on this double bottom, the market started buying. So let's check 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, we can also see on 1 hour time frame, market also give us a double bottom before the market started buying. So before I will explain further, I want to tell you guys where and when you will see pin bar, engulfing candlestick, and the doji candlestick. So for example, now you see I got my entry from here. The reason why I got my entry here, I put my entry here, because this candlestick that you are seeing here engulf this candlestick. The meaning of engulfing candlestick is the other one that will engulf the candlestick will be bigger. We cover the other candlestick, that is engulf. You understand? You see, here I put my entries here. I put my entry here, then I got into the market, then the market started giving me a better setup. Then started going, then we got in and we make our money. And remember, another thing we also tell you guys, yesterday we had news on the market. I leave this trade during the news. You can see also these two lines that I put here, because when I later on when I check this my trade, I found out that this trade was giving another setup for here, which, because normally the moment market started buying, it will not be buying straight, you go up and come down. And it did a little bit setup here. Yeah, I just put these two lines just to give me a sign that in case this market goes up, at least if it's coming back, it's going to tap into this position right here, then it will continue uptrend. So on this trade on one on 30 sorry on this trade on 15-minute time frame, you guys can see that we have pin bar. You understand? This is pin bar. This is pin bar for a sell. But remember how you guys I will do a lesson on how you use pin bar. This pin bar is on a sell, but because we are on a support zone, support area, because we are in support area, that is the reason why this pin bar did not sell. Because at times when you are on support area, you can get a pin bar that will make the market to be a buy. Then at the end of the day, because of that this pin bar I got here, I got this engulfing candlestick that engulf this my pin bar, that give me a better setup on 15-minute time frame, as you guys can see. And also remember guys, know how to work with support and resistance, and know how to identify support and resistance. Later we'll talk about that, on which time frame is better for you to identify support and resistance. So when I got in here, you can see the market give me, even it hit my take profit and the market continued trending. Then remember also, now we are on support zone here. You can see the market did not break this place. You understand? Also remember, market fake out also, market also have fake out, breakout. You understand? It will fake out fake breakout. You understand? If market give you a fake breakout, you will know if you are a good forex trader. Because I wish this candlestick it break this my support right here, support zone, and it came down to all the way to this place down, and that market I wouldn't take it as a valid market anymore. You understand? I would have considered the market a downtrend. You understand? You can see, even if you check the downside, we find out that we also have another support that I also put at the bottom here. You understand? Because I was aiming this, then when the market gave me what I was looking for, this pin bar together with this engulfing candlestick, I confirmed the market and I entered, and it goes my way. So after that, let's go to 30-minute time frame. We also see another strategy that the market uses. See, on 30-minute time frame, you see this market, it came down here, this candlestick, it came down here. At the end of the day, this one engulfed this candlestick and it came out with this. You can see where I put my entry. Yes, you can see it triggered the entry, the market will not come down anymore. And this market, if you have this kind of good setup, it's a better setup for a long buy. You can see this market bought yesterday and it's still buying till now. You can see the market is still moving. So on 30-minute time frame, you can see it gave me this candlestick. At the end of the day, give me engulfing candlestick. Together with this, the market was good to go. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. You can also see on 1 hour time frame, exact same thing. Because of this support zone we have here, you can see this market respect this zone here, and there is a reason why the market respect this zone here. You understand? The reason why market respect this zone here is because this market is a range market. You understand? So the support zone, the strongest support zone is this place. These two candlesticks you are seeing here is a fake out setup. You understand? It's a fake out setup. It's not for a sell, it's for a buy. You can see what happened at the end of the day. Then when this candlestick came out, this one engulfed this candlestick. At the end of the day, this candlestick continued buying. So on 1 hour time frame, you can also see same thing. So I used engulfing candlestick to take this trade yesterday before the market started giving me what I needed. So on 15-minute time frame, is it easy for you to identify support and resistance? No, it's not easy. It's very hard. That's the reason why on this video I will talk about how you use support and the resistance, and where on which time frame you will identify those area. So how will you identify support and resistance? The better time frame for you to identify support and resistance is 1 hour and 4 hour. You understand? Then you can also use day to view out where the market started trending from. You can use day, which is 1 day, to view out. You can see this candlestick is yesterday candlestick. This one is today candlestick. You can see it's buying already massively. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, you can see my resistance. I told you guys before, this one is a fake out setup. Remember I told you on 15-minute time frame. Let's go back to 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame will be better. You can see it's a fake out setup. You understand? It's a fake out setup. You don't identify this as a, not this one, sorry guys. Yeah, the same thing. No, this one right here is a fake out. Sorry guys, this one right here is a fake out setup. You don't identify this one as a good setup for a set. You understand? It's a fake out. You, on this kind of trend, you wait a little bit, because this is where we have our strongest zone for support. This one, it was just a fake out. You understand? So on this one, as you guys can see right here, let's go to 1 hour 4 hour time frame. You guys will now understand how to identify the better way for support and resistance. So on 4 hour time frame, you guys can see we're on 4 hour time frame. You can see the market came down to this place. You understand? And for the past, the market has been respecting this place. You see, it respected this place, it respected it. Same thing here, and so on and so forth. This on 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, you will know where you have a better support and a better resistance. You can also see here many times market rejected back, because the market was a range market on 1 hour and the 30 minutes and 15-minute time frame. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, now you can see what I'm talking about. See, on 1 hour time frame, you see a multiple time. How many times? This is the first time the market rejected. This one is also a fake out, because a lot of forex traders, especially beginners, they will enter this trade right here as a buy. At the end of the day, the market will take them out. You see, it's sold. And remember, when this market play out, this 1 hour time frame, this candlestick, remember it got up to this place, the market rejected back, and the market didn't finish up here. How will this candlestick closes this place now? At least I would have been considering that as a buying setup. But at the end of the day, it went back up because the candlestick opened right here. It sold down a little bit, then it buy up. Buyer pushed the market down to the up to this place, then sellers push it back down. Then at the end of the day, he opened this candlestick again. What happened? When the market opened this candlestick, he started buying again. Buyers pushed the market all the way up to this place. Sellers rejected the market back to this place. You can see. Then buyers push it back to this place a little bit. Then at the end of the day, you open another candlestick. So how many places? 1, 2, 3. Then you can also consider this. You understand? So you have about 4 places where market rejected this market at the resistance level. Then at the end of the day, at the downside, you can see also same thing happen. We have this place here, 1, 2, 3, then 4. Then now this was the one of yesterday, 5. So this one was also a fake out. You can see how I analyze this market. On 4 hour time frame, I watch out for the market. Then I place on my horizontal line here. Then on my resistance zone, I place my horizontal line here. So on 1 hour time frame, it was clearer that this market rejected here, and same thing, it rejected here, because we needed news to break this market, either the upper side and the downside, which happened yesterday. You can see. So you can also see the pin bar. I'm telling you guys about the pin bar candlestick. You guys can also see, if you find this one on 1 hour time frame, it's a good setup for a buy. You can see after the pin bar, what happened? Boom, the market started buying up. So let's continue our journey. After 4 hour time frame, we are now on 1 hour time frame. You can see on 1 hour time frame, market give you a better setup. That this is where you have a major resistance and a major support. Now let's go to 30-minute time frame. Not that you will not find it on 30-minute time frame. You will find it. You also see on 30-minute time frame. But I will tell you guys, if you guys are looking for a better way for support and resistance zone, it's better you go for 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. That is the best. You understand? So now let's go to 15-minute time frame. You can see on 30-minute time frame the same thing. The same line is respecting that zone. So on 15-minute time frame, you will see right here. You can see exact same thing. So as you can see at the end of the day, let me zoom in a little bit. You guys can see, like I said before, this market is a range market. You understand? There is a way you identify a range market also. So this is how you identify market. You understand? This is how you identify market. On a trend market also, if you want to join a trend market, maybe for example you didn't get a chance to get into this market on this zone. So how will you join market also? You can also join market at the time the market started buying up. Look at this one right here. This is another setup. Let me just remove this one. I don't need that anymore. I'm already done with that. Okay. We can see the market give a better setup. Like I said before. Okay, let's talk about this now. You see this sell down. What make this market sold down to this place? Look at this candlestick. What is it called? This is doji candlestick. Doji. If you get this candlestick, doji candlestick, bro, don't hesitate. You see the massive sell. It's sold down to this place. Remember, we have a little bit on 15-minute time frame. We have a little bit of support here. You understand? Support area. Market get here. At the end of the day, this market came out with this candlestick together with this one that engulf it. At the end of the day, boom, the market started buying up. You understand? Let's say for example you want to join this trend. You can join here, and also you can also join together with this inside bar. You understand? This is what we call inside bar. I will also explain that in another video. So I don't want this video to be long. So I will just show you guys together with add the video I make, screenshot I make on this video, and together with the money I make. I traded 3 accounts yesterday. You understand? My trade yesterday, I finished my trade up with what is it called? NAS. You understand? The last trade I took was on NAS. This is it, NAS. So yesterday, later on, I also win first phase account on what is it called? On 100 pips, 25k account for my student, but I'm the one managing the account. So yesterday, this is where I got in on the trade, on the NAS trade. Boom. From here to here, I was able to make the 2,000 that was needed for the first phase. I've already won it, everything set. So yesterday, I also won other 2 accounts. I won 50k account and also won 15k account. 50 and the 15k account. That was what I won yesterday. So this is how you trade a market using a better candlestick, which are the 3 candlesticks that you need to do your setup. The first one is pin bar. The second one is doji candlestick. The third one is engulfing candlestick. You can also see right here. You can also see this candlestick right here. What is this candlestick called? This is pin bar candlestick. You understand? You can call this pin bar candlestick. You can see the long weak body together with this small one. Then it came out to go up again, and the market started buying down. So here you can also work out on here. How can you find that on 15-minute time frame I'm talking about right now? This is NAS. On 15-minute time frame, you can also see how you can get into the market here. Look at what happened. And remember, all these things happen on support and resistance zone. You understand? They also happen on continuation trend. You understand? Whether down trend or upper trend, they also happen. So let's look at this market right now. You see, after the rejection of this candlestick, there is a reason why this market rejected. That is the reason why I told you guys, if you guys want to analyze market, go to 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame. As you guys can see, okay, I want to mark out that place, that zone, so that from there we'll get to understand where we are talking about. So let me mark out this place so that you guys will get to understand what I'm talking about. So on this place now we can see. So in any time frame I go to now, we will always notify this. So on 30-minute time frame, you can see where we are right now on 30-minute time frame. On 30-minute time frame, it will give us pin bar. With that pin bar, I don't like that pin bar that much. Together with this one that came out, let me just widen it up a little bit so that when I'm touching it, we'll be able to be feeling what I'm talking about. Okay, you look at this pin bar candlestick together with this candlestick. At the end of the day, this long buy candlestick engulf these two. So this is a better setup that buyers has given pressure to this market, so sellers are no longer in control. Look at this sell. It came out to this place. Look at the support here. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame, because I don't want this video to be too long. On 1 hour time frame, you can see, because market respect this zone. You understand? Respect this zone. You see, on 1 hour time frame, we have a long candlestick for a sell. Later on, because of this support, the market engulf it. Boom. This is a better buy setup. Then let's go to 4 hour time frame. You will see 4 hour time frame. At the end of the day, look at what happened. The candlestick rejected back. It became a pin bar, but the market came back down to touch our support zone before it started buying. Remember, we have support here before the market now created another support here. So if you want to know the reason why market created another support here, let's look out our time frame to 15-minute time frame. You will see the reason why the market respected this place also. So that place, now I'm going to put another rectangle line. So let's see, from here now we get a chance to understand the reason why that market created another support zone there. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. What's happening? My network, come on. Okay, here we go. You see on 1 hour time frame, you see the market went up, came back down, created another support zone here. So you see, even yesterday, I think this is yesterday, yeah, 9, this is yesterday, you can see the market also respect this zone. So let's go to 30-minute time frame. You see, on 30-minute time frame, the market create another support area here. This one is just a fake out, and also this candlestick is also a fake out. So let's go back to this place. Look at the reason why the market created another support there. So let's go to 15-minute time frame, then we'll now confirm it well on 15-minute time frame. Because market always work with structure, support, and resistance. Look at the reason why the market created support at that place. The reason why is because of this resistance. Because remember, how did the market move? You guys need to understand market movement, which is very important. Market move this way. It will buy, then market will sell down. It will buy up, then it will sell down again. Then it will buy up, then it will sell down. To buy up, then it will sell down. To continue buying. This is trend market. You understand? So imagine if market is doing this now. This is where we have the last support. You understand? So if market want to respect another support zone, it will create another support zone here, then together with resistance. So if you're analyzing the market, you have to understand how all these things work. So I'm not going to talk about this. You understand? I'm not going to talk about this. I think with this little that I just gave you guys now, it has made things clear. You understand? I'm not going to talk about this because if I need to analyze this, I have to also draw another set of trend back down. You understand? Which is downtrend. So with this support now, at least you guys can recognize a little bit on how to identify and where and when to identify a pin bar candlestick, doji candlestick, and a engulfing candlestick. You understand? If you are able to identify those things, I will tell you, bro, your trading journey will be a very good and easy one for you. And don't hesitate. Most of the time, look for them on support and resistance zone. And how are you going to look for them on support and resistance zone? Look for them on support and resistance zone in 1 hour time frame. Find your support zone on 1 hour time frame, like I said before. Okay, your support zone and your resistance zone, look for it for 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame. Then time to time, when the market get to your support or your resistance zone, that is when you'll be checking out on 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, what are the candlestick are saying. Because candlestick, they do talk. You understand? Candlestick, they talk, they speak. You understand? They have their language. They have the way they speak their language. But you just have to identify and understand what they are saying. Because in the market, the most thing that is very important on the market for people to understand is this. Market work with buyers and seller. You understand? Because if I'm to buy a market, there is someone elsewhere is looking for a way to sell. That is why you see most of the time on support and resistance zone, you will see that market will give that pin bar candlestick or engulfing candlestick, or it will give you doji candlestick, because that candlestick speak a lot. It tells you the buyer push the market to this kind of extent, the seller take over the market, before it will give you a pin bar, doji candlestick, and the engulfing candlestick. Those are the three candlesticks you need to enter the market. You can identify these three candlesticks on just one trade. It might be pin bar, it might be doji candlestick, it might be engulfing candlestick. In each way you find this on support and resistance zone, you are okay, you are good to go. From there, you now know how to risk a little money on your trading, which is risk management. So there is a lot on forex trade. Forex trade will give you a lot of money if you understand this step. So guys, I will stop from here. I will just add my video, the other video, up to this one, then I will just upload it so that you guys will see what I make yesterday and all that. Because I decided right now to be vlogging my video, to be giving you guys video back to back. Time will come, I will just be doing everyday trading. Even when I lose another, I will just be doing everyday trading. I will put them together. I will just be uploading them every day. Since this is what I do, I think I will just be doing that time to time to update you guys and also update my trading journey. So guys, if you guys like this video, don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share your opinion on whatever I'm saying. So guys, see you guys in the next one. So this morning I have two setup. This morning I have one on gold, then I have one on GBP. So as you can see, gold has already started. You understand? So you guys can see here we have range market. You understand? The market has been ranging for quite some times. Let me check when the market started ranging. I think that was if you check here, you can see on the 7th of May, market started ranging. We are still on the range market. Hopefully we'll break out from here today, upside or downside, I don't know. But due to what I'm saying, because we have multiple news on GBP USD today, so I think GBP USD later on by 1 something or so, 1 o'clock, or 1 o'clock, we had the first news on GBP. Maybe the market will take it back down again. That's what I'm expecting for a sale later on. So on this US gold right now, I'm expecting to take profit here. So that's the first setup I have. Then on GBP USD, I'm looking forward to get in and take profit here. So nevertheless, I think I will just stick to gold, which is the most trending one right now, because I'm already on gold already. So I got in here, so we're already in profit. So hopefully before I get to our resistance, I will take my profit. So let's just keep our fingers crossed and watch the game plays out. Like I said this morning, the gold and 190. So I was able to, that news that popped out, this is the news that just popped out just now, which buy on USD. So everything just went well. I already hit my TP, as you guys can see.